Hello everyone, welcome to day 10 of the 30-day challenge where we are recreating thumbnails which are challenging to design. So today's thumbnail is from Visual Venture, the software error that killed 6 people. So as you can see in this image, we have 4 things. For this, we require an image. For this, we'll require an image. For this computer, we require an image. And we can create this. So let's get started. Create a frame of the size 1920 by 1080. And let's name it day 10. Day 10. I have already downloaded some assets. The links are in the description. You can download it from there. So first, I'll drag this image inside our frame and let's just make it smaller. Also, let's lock it and let me just adjust its opacity to somewhere near 70 and let's just add this frame's background color as black. Now, let's add this computer first. So we have this computer. Let's add it here. Let's move it somewhere over here. Let's just resize it a bit. Okay. Now let's add this image inside the screen. For adding that image, what are we going to do is we'll need the pen tool and let's just draw the screen. Let's draw it something like this. Here, uh, here, and here. And now let's just curve all these lines. Let's curve this. Okay, let's move this point somewhere over here. Let's curve this. Okay, so this doesn't need any curving. This needs a curvature. Let's curve this. Let's curve this a bit. Let's move it a little bit here. And now let's curve this. Curve it a little bit more. And we are good to go. Let's add a fill. And let's remove the stroke. As you can see, the screen is ready. Let's move this image here. Let's just resize it. And let's click both of them and let's use it as mask. Let's center it. As you can see, the image is not what we expected, so we can use the skew tool. Let's use it to skew this image so that it looks like it's coming from the TV. So let's do this. Okay. Move it something like this. And now this looks something like it's coming from the screen only. So this is okay to me. Let's lock both of these things. As you can see, half of our image is almost ready. Now for this part, first let's draw a rectangle. Let's make it 710. And let's just copy this rectangle again. Let's just color it yellow. This looks good. Now let's just move it above this rectangle and let's just resize it. 630 by 630 will go. Let's add a stroke and remove the fill. Okay, now I'll increase the weight. The weight is okay, 10, 10 looks fine. Or let me decrease it to 7 or 8. Now I'll select both of them and just increase the corner radius to somewhere near 70. Sorry, not 35, 70. Okay. So I'll have to decrease this radius a little bit because it's not matching with the outer rectangle. Now this looks good. Let's add the text as I'll add the text as design this. So I'll increase the font size to 128 and let me change the font to Roboto and let's make it black. Now I have to increase the size till this font meets the border. Okay. Now I'll decrease it to 170 and we are good to go. Now let me just flatten both of them. But before flattening, I think I should make it bold, not black. So let me right click and flatten them. So these guys are now vectors. Okay. So I made both of them vector. Let me just flatten them like this individually. And now these both are flattened. Let me color it red. And now since we have flattened it, we can do like this. And likewise, we'll increase this one side too. As well as we'll increase this one's width. Okay, so these two are ready. This part is ready too. Let's just use the skew tool to rotate them all. I'll select them all and just not like this. We have to rotate them like this. 20 is way too much. Okay, 6 looks good. So let's just make them all 6. And let me just group them. Grouped. Now they are at the center. Now what I want is there is something, like this. So for that, we can add this. And let me just reduce this one's opacity to somewhere near 45. And let's just place this over this object. Also, since this one's corner radius was 75, I'll make this one's corner radius as 75 too. And let me use the skew tool again. So -6. Yes, -6. And let's just close this one. And let me change this one's width. Like this. Somewhere near here. And somewhere near here. Now this is not similar to this, but it will do good. So let me just decrease its opacity a little bit more. Now let's select this computer and let me change the tint. Let me change the temperature and let's add more tint. And let's increase the saturation too. Contrast will decrease. And increase the highlights and let's just decrease the shadows. Now it looks yellow. So I think our thumbnail is ready. Do let me know in the comment section, guys. Did you like it or not? And how was the experience designing this? More thumbnails coming soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.